students, this is Malika and we are going to study from your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and this is Feather Cap People and Places. We are on chapter number 16, Chennai, the city of temples. So, we have been studying about the metropolitan cities. The biggest one is Mumbai, second one is your Delhi, third Kolkata, and your fourth one is Chennai. So Chennai is basically known as the city of temples. There are a lot of temples which are famous located here. So in this chapter, we are going to study the same about how the people dress, what people like to eat, what kind of language do they speak, or what do they wear, and some famous places or tourist attractions of Chennai. So I hope you are all ready. Chennai is located on the eastern coast of the country facing the Bay of Bengal. So remember this, that Chennai is in the eastern side of the country which faces the Bay of Bengal. It faces the Bay of Bengal. As we know, Bay of Bengal is in the eastern side of India and Arabian Sea is on the west. According to the 2011 Indian census, it is the sixth largest city and fourth most populous agglomeration of India. So, इसे सिक्स्थ लार्जेस्ट सिटी बोला गया है और फोर्थ मोस्ट पॉपुलस, मतलब फोर्थ ऐसी सिटी जो सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलस है इंडिया में उनमें से एक है. It is one of the biggest cities of South India. So Chennai is the biggest city of the South India, one of the biggest cities. It is the capital of state Tamil Nadu. As we know that Chennai is located in Tamil Nadu and it is the capital of it. All the important offices of the government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai. So Chennai being the capital, all the important offices of this government are located here only. The governor, chief minister and the other minister of Tamil Nadu live in Chennai. So the governor, chief minister and the other ministers of the Tamil Nadu live in Chennai only. Chennai has a big seaport being located on the east coastal side, coastal area. It also has a seaport. Ships bring goods from other countries and carry the goods produced in India to those countries. So the ships also bring the goods from other countries and also load goods from here and take it to the other countries. Main industries in Chennai are cotton textile, coaches, railway wagons and oil refinery. So these are some famous industries or main industries of Chennai. First is your cotton textile, second is your coaches, third railway wagons and fourth is your oil refinery. So tanks are also manufactured here at Awadhi, and Chennai has a big film industry also. I think it is known as Tollywood. Chennai shares the second position as the largest employment generation in India. So the second employment generation, basically the most of the people are employed in Chennai along with Mumbai. So Mumbai is the first and Chennai is the second. Sorry, Mumbai and Chennai shares the second position together and the first position is Bangalore. So the most people are employed in Bangalore. Second is your Chennai and Mumbai. Now, most of the people living in Chennai speak Tamil language. जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं, they speak Tamil language. However, English is also widely spoken. वहाँ पे, other than the Tamil language, people also speak English widely. The common food is rice, sambar, and curd. So these are common food items which people eat there. As we all know, कि जो डोसा होता है, उपमा होता है, सांबर होता है, these dishes have come from the south. These are South Indian dishes. So people eat widely there. They like to eat special dishes of idli, dosa, vada, upma, rasam with sambar and coconut chutney. So this is their food, what they like to eat. Their main drink is coffee, not tea. So as we know, most of the people in India like tea. But the most common drink or the main drink of the Chennai is your coffee. People are fond of classical dance Bharatnatyam. So the Bharatnatyam is the classical dance of Tamil Nadu. The people are fond of the Chennai of the people of the Chennai are fond of Bharatnatyam. They celebrate number of festivals. The main important festival is your Pongal, which is the harvest festival. It is celebrated for 3 days in the month of January. The climate of Chennai is neither very hot nor very cold. So same as Kolkata and as Mumbai, the climate is not very hot nor very cold. So can you list the reason that why the climate of Chennai, Mumbai and Kolkata is not very hot nor very cold? It is because these places are located near the sea, near the coast. आप ये चीज देखो, ये क्या कॉमन इन तीनों में कि ये जो है कोस्टल एरियाज हैं, कोस्ट के पास है. सो दैट इज व्हाई द टेम्परेचर इज नॉट वेरी हॉट एंड नॉट वेरी हॉट और कोल्ड. It is generally warm throughout the year. ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे warm ही रहता है, थोड़ी गर्मी ही रहती है. It gets more rain in winters than in summers. So winters के time पे यहाँ पर जो है the months of December, January, February, the Chennai get more rains in winters. Air in Chennai is very humid in the summer. और summer season के time पे जो air होती है बहुत ज़्यादा humid हो जाती है, बहुत moisture हो जाता है. So to avoid it, the people wear cotton clothes so that more sweat can be absorbed. Now there are a number of tourist places in Chennai. Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. So Marina Beach is the longest beach which is situated in Chennai. It is very beautiful. People are fond of spending their evenings on the beach. So it is a coastal area. Marina Beach is the famous beach there, and it is the longest beach in India. The people also love to spend their evenings there. Another beach called VGP Golden Beach has number of swings and toy trains. So another famous beach is here, VGP Golden Beach. It also has number of swings and toy trains. Now, these are some famous temples, and this is the church. This is another temple. Parthasarathi Temple. This is Saint Thomas Cathedral, and this is your Kapaleshwara Temple. So these are some famous sightseeing or tourist attraction places. Children love to visit the beach again and again as children, and also the adults also love to visit the beach. Saint Thomas Cathedral is an old church worth seeing. So ये पुरानी church है, which is the sightseeing. Kapaleshwara and Parthasarathi temples have beautiful carvings. So these two temples have a beautiful carving. Chennai is located on the eastern coast of our country, based facing the Bay of Bengal. So Chennai जो है हमारे eastern coast पे पड़ता है, and it faces the Bay of Bengal. Now classroom activities. Circle the things which remind you of Chennai. We have to just circle the things which are related to Chennai or which are found in Chennai. First is your food item. What food item people eat there? Dosa, chole bhature or dokla. So dosa is the right one. Festival celebrated. So the famous harvest festival of the Chennai is your Pongal. So it is Pongal. Third, dance form. So Bharatnatyam, Kathak or Odissi. So Bharatnatyam is the famous dance form. Language spoken. So people of the Chennai speak Tamil. Dress worn, lehenga, dhoti kurta, veshti. So veshti is a lungi. So you might have seen in the south movies or the movies from the south of the Tollywood, or you can check it on the internet. The people of the south wear lungis, which is known as veshti. Beach, Marina, Juhu, Versova. So Marina Beach is the famous one. Monument, Qutub Minar, Charminar, Kapaleshwara Temple. So we have just studied that it is a Kapaleshwara Temple. Now assess yourself. A, take the correct answer. Chennai is the capital of. So Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Second, the most important festival of Chennai is. So we have just studied that it is the Pongal. Tanks are manufactured at. So tanks at Chennai are manufactured at Avadi. Now fourth, which dance form is the most popular of Chennai? So it is Bharatnatyam. Next, fill in the blanks. Chennai is the dash largest city of India. So Chennai is the 6th largest city of India. Second, the dash and the chief minister of Tamil Nadu live in Chennai. The governor and the chief minister of the Tamil Nadu live in Chennai. Third, Chennai gets more rain in dash. Chennai gets more rain in winters than summers. People of Chennai like dash dance the most. So people of the Chennai like Bharatnatyam dance the most. I'm going to write it here क्योंकि वहाँ पे space कम है. Bharatnatyam. I hope I have written the correct spelling. Just give me a second. Yes, Bharatnatyam. It's correct. Dash Beach is an attractive tourist place in Chennai. Marina Beach is an attractive tourist place. Now answering yes or no. Do the people of the Chennai eat rice and sambar? Yes, they eat rice and sambar. Second, is the climate of Chennai generally cold? No, it is not neither hot or neither cold, but most of the time it is warm. Do the people of the Chennai celebrate Pongal for 3 days? Yes, it is celebrated for 3 days in January. Is Chennai located on the west coast of the country? No, it is located on the eastern coast of country, facing Bay of Bengal. Now, is Chennai a big seaport? Yes, it has a big seaport. Answer in one word, what is the main drink of the people of Chennai? So, we have learned that the coffee is the main drink. Second, what is the name of the dance liked by the people of Chennai? So, we have just written here, it is Bharatanatyam. Of which state is Chennai the capital? So, it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Which language do the most of the people living in Chennai speak? So, people living there speak Tamil. Which is the most important festival of Chennai? So, Pongal is the most important festival. Now, answer the following questions. First question is, what is the common food of people of Chennai? So, there are a lot of things which is common among the people. Their common food is rice, sambar and curd. They like to eat special dishes of idli, dosa, vada, upma and rasam with sambar and coconut chutney. So, this is your answer number 1. These are the things which the people like there. Why do people in Chennai generally wear cotton clothes? So, the weather of the Chennai is basically warm throughout the year. So, there is a lot of humidity in the summer season. So, to absorb the sweat, they wear the cotton clothes. There's the tourist places in Chennai. So, Marina Beach is the famous place. And other than this, there is a VGP Golden Beach with swings. And the other famous places to visit, there are St. Thomas Cathedral, Kalpeshwara Temple and a Parthasarathi Temple. So these are some 4 to 5 places which you can write in this answer. So we have completed this chapter as well. So we have completed the chapter with all the exercise. I hope you don't have any problem. You understood it well. Thank you so much. Happy learning.